Goat snapshot is in progress. Let's do a recap. Goat's journey recap. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. All the goat miners community is today. The snapshot has been taking place already today. So if you are mining goat, just know that the mining has ended. Alright. So let's see what they got for the community. They say snapshot is in progress. Let's do a recap. Goat journey recap. 24.4 million users have joined GOATs, 2.9 plus billion games played, 10 plus thousands ton rewarded. Then go to next. How to get airdrop. G, GOAT getter. O, opportunity hunter. A, arcade grinder. T, sub connector. S, streak seeker. Alright, so if you find yourself in any of this, or if your own have been spelled correctly, your own have already spelled like this, that means you are good to go. Okay, now congratulations is key. The gold's pass is essential for the airdrop, with each letter marking increasingly levels of contribution from S to G. Your contribution determines your rank. Alright, next. And what rank are you? More contributions, more goods. Goats airdrop criteria are purely based on level of contribution of all users to bring fair and square game. All goats will be converted to goats. All goats will be converted to goats at a base ratio, and users in higher ranks will receive a bonus. The higher the rank, the bigger the bonus. Okay. Now if you are in rank 1, you have the biggest bonus. The rank 2 okay, if you are in rank 1, you have a big bonus, and then you have the bigger one and the biggest. Okay, rank 1 biggest, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5. I think it stopped at rank 5. So this is how they are going to give. Okay, they said gold criteria is purely based on level of contribution. So guys, like I said, that airdrop is actually not free again. So all you'll be saying in your gold criteria is only if you have contributed to the goals. That's when you have a bigger portion. If you didn't contribute anything, don't expect much. Alright, and you should be able to contribute what you can afford to lose. Alright, now let's go to next. We have rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, and rank 5. Go to the next one. Now goals claim on November 30th. Don't forget that the claiming will be live in November 30th. Today is as of today I made this video. Today is 28th, so 2 days to come you'll be able to claim your goals airdrop. So goals claim on November 30th. A new adventure awaits. Play and end with goals, beginning with claiming yours. Alright, get the news. So let's check on the news and see. Now the snapshot starts. Goats farm, the moment we have been waiting for, just like what you saw there. Been grinding for, it's finally here. Snapshot start now. Your effort, your hustle, your grind is all locked in. This snapshot will calculate your token base as we prepare for the upcoming claim and withdraw phase. All activities will temporarily pause during this process. Please note, the snapshot may take 2 to 3 days to complete. Stay ready and leave and hype. All turn rewards you earn will still remain in the game, and you'll be able to withdraw them in the next phase. So actually, goats was going to bring another phase, right? So take note, no worries. Thank you for being part of the legacy. The moon is just the first stop, right? So this is what they say, and let's confirm this in their X handle. So stay tuned. Let's check and go to X handle and see if it's the same thing we are having here. I happen to storm in, so let's open Goat's channel. Goat airdrop page is live. Everything you need. Okay, this was the everything you need is right here. Real time of the eligibility and all that, and all the letters. So if you have if yours have shown eligible, that means you are qualified for the airdrop. Snapshot time. Goat farm, the moment we have all waiting for, just like what I just explained to you. Grinding for it finally here. Snapshot start now. Your effort, your hustle, your grind is all locked in. The snapshot will calculate your token base as we prepare for the upcoming claim, in which the illustration, what I just showed you, from rank 1 to rank 5, that is how they rank it. So if you find yourself in rank 1, it means a bigger airdrop awaits you. If you're in rank 2, you also have a big airdrop. You have in rank 3, then you're also going to get something. Rank 4, you're going to get something. Rank 5, you're going to get something. And you are eligible. You didn't contribute anything at all, you're still going to get something. So far you are eligible. Your own is showing eligible. All right, so gold is going to, claiming is going to happen on the 30th of November. All right, just 2 days to come. So keep your fingers crossed and let's see what gold has for the community. Don't forget that airdrop is not free. Airdrop is not totally free. Again, you have to invest to get it. And don't forget, I always said, invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates. All right, now they're going to come back to explain the exchange which you're going to list codes, and I'll come back again to let you guys know. So stay updated. All right, on the notification bell so that you get notified. I'll be notifying you in all this, that you will not get missed out. Okay, so codes has finally, the first phase is finally over. The snapshot is ongoing. The airdrop allocation will be based on what you contributed during the phase 1. If you donated enough ton, you're going to have a bigger airdrop, and it's going to be contributed based on your rank. If you are ranking rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, all the ranks there, we have 5 ranks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so if you're in rank 1, you should expect something big. Rank 2, just like that. Okay, or if you have been able to spell the goats like GOATS, if everything is shown in your own, that means a big airdrop awaits you. Okay, a very big airdrop awaits you according to what they said. So if you are mining gold, stay tuned. All right, stay tuned, because gold airdrop snapshot has been taken. And claiming is on the 30th of this month of November. And then I'll come back again to tell you about the listing once I got the information about listing and the exchange which they are going to list it. All right, okay, so don't forget that allocation will be based on their criteria, on what you contributed. They stated it clearly. All right, airdrop is no longer free. It's not like Notcoin and then docs that we accumulated for free, and so many of us miss the opportunity. So the airdrop we are having now is no longer free. All right, so have that in mind. Okay, so snapshot is in progress now. That actually snapshot is happening live now. So if you check in the app, you see that the mining has stopped. What you see there is a snapshot. Okay, the snapshots and the breakdown of how they are going to distribute the airdrop to the community, what is actually going on now. Okay, so for every other thing, they'll still come again to tell us. So don't forget that on the earth, you should be able to go and claim your allocation. Okay, if yours have shown eligible, congratulations. If yours have not shown eligible, I think you should stay tuned for the next phase if to mine and be qualified. Okay, all right, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning viewer, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. I'll do my best to answer all the questions. Tell your teams, tell all your team people, your referrals, tell them that the gold mining phase 1 has stopped. Send this video to them. Okay, share this video so that they also get to know about this, and for those people who have abandoned their goats, they also learn to know about this. All right, if you have not gambled your goods, at least you should be able, because they are not going to give you according to what you accumulated. They are only going to give you according to how you contributed during the game in the phase first. All right, that's what they said here. I showed you clearly. If you really contributed ton, the big rewards awaits you. Don't forget about that. If you did not contribute, but you're shown eligible, just stay tuned, because they're going to give you something. Okay, so let's see what gold has for the community, how they're going to treat us this time. All right, do not put all your hope or your trust in airdrop. All right, as you're hustling for airdrop, don't forget your side hustle in all that. All right, I'll come back to give you another update. I'll come back with another interesting video. Remain blessed. All right.